Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Alicia and this is Kylie, my sister. Today we wanted to do a Halloween costume challenge where she gets me 2 Halloween costumes and I get her 2 Halloween costumes. So for me, I went ahead and got her one that I thought she would love and one that I just loved. I don't think she'll hate it, but like I just got her really 2 that I thought she would like. What did you end up doing? Did you get me 2 I would like or 2 that I wouldn't? Well, how did you take it?
Okay. I was honestly just looking for Halloween costumes that would get here in time. Because during the week, I don't have time to go out to like Party City and do it. So one of them is not going to be here till Monday. So I got a different one.
Okay.
So that's here. And this one's kind of plain, but I think you might like it.
Okay.
And then the other one, I just really like it. And I think you'll like it. Because I think the person's a queen. So.
Ooh, cool. All right, I'm excited. All right, so don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and let's go ahead and get right into the Halloween costume challenge.
Mine is always so wrinkly, but it's like a Wednesday Adam costume that I think she'll like. Because Wednesday is always in fashion. And honestly, I would probably wear this like not even as a Halloween costume. I'd probably just wear this to wear it. So that's the first one. That's all there is to that one. That one's kind of boring. I saw this and I thought it was so cool because even though she's evil, Ursula is like a freaking queen. Like, look at that. That is so cool. And then they even have the headband, which honestly I think is kind of like really cheap, and I probably could have made this for less than $1. And look at this dress. I think it is so cool. It's got like little tentacles. Wig that I just have at my house that I started styling and then I didn't finish it yet. But it's kind of Ursula's colors, so I grabbed it for her to try on. That's the end of my TED Talk.
Okay, so for Kylie's costumes, I got her a voodoo magic doll because, oh God. I got her a voodoo magic doll because I think she will love this. I think this is something that she would do really cool makeup for, which we don't have time to do the makeup today, but I can't wait to see what she looks like in this costume. I think it'll be really, really cute. And the next one I got her was one that I saw and I was like, oh my goodness, I want this costume. It is a sparkling unicorn. How freaking adorable. So this is my other one for her. I think she'll like both personally, but I'm honestly not sure. So I guess we will find out. This one is in a large, extra large, and it's 14-16, but they only had this size and I thought, you know what, if it's a little bit big, whatever. So here we go. I can't wait for her to try these on. Okay, so now Kylie is going to give me her costume she got for me and I'm gonna give her mine and we're gonna try them on. So Kylie, what did you get me?
Can you guess what it is?
The Addams Family.
Yes.
Tell me why I knew that it was this. Because when you said it's a bit plain but I think you'll like it, I was like, I wonder if it's like the dress that I have that looks like the Addams Family. Literally.
Because they're kind of plain, but like they're the best people ever.
This looks really small for a neck hole, but we'll try it.
Hold on. It's a zipper.
Okay.
I
was like, I don't know if we're gonna get my big head through that.
So it'll be okay.
Okay, perfect. Okay, well I love that. I think that's cute. Ba-bam! How cute is that?
Voodoo.
How cute is that?
You know, that is cute.
So she likes the voodoo doll. Promising. All right, so what's the next one?
Okay, so I don't know if you'll like this one just because you might not like the character. So it's Ursula from Little Mermaid.
Ooh, no, I love.
But I think she's a queen, so I thought this would be really cool.
Oh my goodness, I am so excited, Kylie. Literally, I'm so excited.
She comes with her like crown thing.
This reminds me of, why does this remind me of the Statue of Liberty?
Because it kind of is.
Right? Like
it's what she turns into.
And there's a wig.
This is just a wig that I had and I was styling it. I only got halfway.
So it's a halfway
done with styling it, but it's Ursula's colors, so
sweet. I will definitely put them. You guys, I'm so excited. I'm really excited about Ursula. So this other one is one that I was like, I want this costume.
Oh, no.
Sparkling unicorn. She's so excited. I can see it on her face. All right, so we are going to try these costumes on and let you guys see the footage and then talk about what we thought about them. So let's go do that now. So we tried on the costumes, and I'll throw in footage of them as we talk about them. So, what did you think about your doll outfit? What was it? Voodoo doll.
That one, the voodoo doll. I didn't like the sleeves the way they looked.
Really?
The little, yeah.
Okay.
I didn't think it was bad though. I liked the way the skirts poof out in Halloween.
Good. I thought it looked so cute on you.
So that was cute. The color's not really my color.
Oh, like the brownish tan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was still like a cute outfit overall.
Right?
Though. Yeah.
What would you rate it?
Probably like a 6.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So the Ursula one for me, I thought was awesome. The only thing is I don't like the shape of that dress, but I just don't like that kind of shape of dresses because it almost makes me feel like a sausage. You know, I don't like them
I know what you're
on my body
about.
type, so I just don't care for them. I'd rather have like a poofy, like princessy dress, but I did think the costume was really awesome, and I loved that wig. That wig itself, 10 out of 10. That was so cute.
It's such a good wig.
But the outfit total, I guess I would say probably 5 out of 10 because I love the idea of it and I love the purples and like the colors of it. I just didn't like the dress the way, I wish it would have been a little bit more poofy, but I loved like the strips of dress, you know, at like the bottom and stuff. I thought that was so cool. And yeah, I loved that wig. And like the little thing on top was cool too, so yeah. So unicorn.
I hated it.
Really? It was a little big
like
in the bust area, for sure.
Yeah, no, I didn't like it.
You're like, no, I hated it. That's all
I hated it. I don't like it.
What would you rate it?
Like a 0.
So what was your least favorite thing about it?
Okay, I will say that the horns and stuff were cute. Like, that was cute. I don't like the colors.
Comment below if you thought that the unicorn horn with her hair looked literally perfect. Like, Instagram, Pinterest worthy perfect. Kelly's like, okay.
No, I don't like wearing white unless it's like a complement color.
Okay.
And yeah, no. And I'm not that pastel-y at all.
I loved it. I honestly thought the unicorn one was cuter. Just the outfit itself I thought was cuter, but obviously you liked the doll one better, which I expected. And then the final costume for me, the Addams Family one. It's
the replacement one.
So for one, we were filming this at night and it got like super dark and it was the last costume for me to try on. And I went to the room to try it on and it was honestly just like really tight and really like I definitely needed like a size or 2 more up. And I mean it was your basic black dress with white collar. You know, like there wasn't much to it and I'm sure you could find that footage anywhere. So honestly at that point I was like, you know what, this kind of looks like trash and I'm just not gonna deal with it. So there's no footage of that one and I kind of give it a 0 out of 10 just because like it didn't fit
fair.
Right.
And if that one costume comes in sooner,
then we'll get footage of that.
On,
yes.
Where's all the rum gone?
Let us know in the comments below who you think won and which costume was your favorite overall. And what are you guys doing for Halloween this year? What costumes are you guys dressing up as, or characters are you dressing up as and stuff like that? Or food, I don't know, some people are hot dogs. So comment below if you're a hot dog for Halloween. I don't know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I think I won this personally. But also I went to Spirit Halloween, so it was a little easier.
Yeah.
I feel like it was a little bit easier for me, especially Halloween costumes. There's just not a ton of plus size options anyway, Halloween costume wise. And so I feel like I had an easier time shopping for you than you did for me because they make so many Halloween costumes in your size, you know what I mean? So it was like, literally I just had to go to the store for like, I was in there for 10 minutes. Like it was so easy.
I'm like standard whatever.
Exactly. Go ahead and subscribe because you know you want to. And like this video if you did enjoy it. And I will see you guys in my next one. Happy Halloween! Boo.
You scared me.
That was cute.